Hi, I'm here cooking with Thai Food Organics and I'm going to prepare one of my favourite dishes. It's polenta. Cook it really slowly, 30-40 minutes in some boiling water, and instead of adding a little bit of cheese and butter or even white truffle, I'm going to add some Saikyo Sweet miso. I'm also going to char grill some chicory and cook off a bit of sweet corn. Add the sweet corn to the polenta and then serve it as a main course dish. So first of all, I need to season the water. A couple of pinches of salt, and the water must be boiling. What I don't want to do is add too much polenta all at once because it will thicken and become too sticky. So I'm going to very lightly sprinkle in polenta. The polenta is now just bubbling along nicely. It's a little bit like a volcano, and I'm going to swap a whisk for a wooden spoon. And the wooden spoon just gives me that much more power to mix the polenta. Just leave it, it's going to take 30 minutes. The corn's ready. I've been cooking it for 7 or 8 minutes, so it's well cooked. Just let it cool a little bit before I cut the sweet corn off the cob. And with the chicory, I just want to take the edges off, and I'm going to go through the middle. Now, I just want to put a little bit of olive oil on each one of these before I grill them. I want to get the heart of the chicory nice and soft. And I just want to get these delicately coloured. I want them cooked, but I don't want them cooking too fast because my polenta is still 10 minutes from being ready. My corn is stripped. I've taken the corn from the cob. That's sitting here beautifully. Now, my polenta is cooked, and I'm going to add my Saikyo Sweet miso. And probably about 3 teaspoons. The heat that's kicked in onto that miso is fantastic. The smell, the aroma is super kicking in. And I'm going to add my sweet corn into this polenta. So everything's ready. I've got the corn in the polenta. I've got the Saikyo Sweet miso in the polenta, and my chicory's grilled. I'm ready to plate. Just to finish it off, a squeeze of lemon, just to set that salad off.